Hi guys, welcome to Core Artisan Lab. This is our 30-second video for Django e-commerce website, and in this video we will implement these 8 things. In this video we will implement these eight tasks. Okay, so the first task is actually when we submitting the review, when we go to the product detail and when we submitting the review. Here I will show you. Here when we add the review, this is test, and let me go to the network and let's go to the 3. So when we submit this, you can see here we are actually it is sending 2 requests, and here you can see that we have a 2 reviews. So the first thing is we need to prevent this. Okay, and the second thing is we will restrict the user that only single user can add single review. Okay, for that particular product. Okay, and after adding the review we will instantly hide the button. Okay, and also we will hide on when you refresh the page. Okay, and we will after adding the review we will instantly show the review. We will append the review in the box. Okay, after adding that, and then we will also show the fifth point is we will show the average rating, and the sixth point is we will replace the dollar with rupees, rupees with dollar. And if no reviews for this particular product, then we will show the message, and we will also add a sign up link here. Okay, in the menu, I have noticed that we didn't added the sign up link, so we will add that. Okay, so let me if you log out and when you go to the sign up, it will show hash. Okay, so here we will add. So let me log in as a admin. Okay, and let's go to the admin and let's delete the reviews first. Just a minute. Okay, fine. So now delete these reviews. Delete. Okay. Okay, now what we will do, we will go to the review section here. First of all, let's fetch these reviews for this product. Okay, so let's fetch the review first. The first point, I think we should go to this point by point. So first is we need to prevent the things. So what we need to do, we will open the custom.js in the static, from the static folder. And I have noticed that when we move this add section, when we move this Ajax code from document.ready to outside of the document.ready, then it will work. It will perfectly work. I didn't found the exact why it is what is the cause of this problem, but I found this solution. Okay, and I will keep searching on this, and I will, when I will find the solution, then I will update on the video. Okay, so when we move this from move out from this document.ready, then it will work. It will send only single request. So let's check this. So I will go to the request, add review, and we don't have any review, so this is review, and let's see submit. So here you can see that, but currently it is okay. Let me just hard refresh the page. Just let me hard refresh the page, and let's try this now. First we need to, okay, let's try this now for submit. So here you can see that it is sending the single request. It was before it was showing that because we didn't refresh the page properly. Okay, so I have hard refreshed the page and now it's working properly. So here you can see that the first time it has added 2, and the second time it has added 1. So let's delete this. Okay, and let's test this again. So this is review, and let's submit this. So here you can see that, and in the admin panel we have single review. Okay, so we have cleared our first point. Now the second point is, if I am admin and I logged in and I have already submitted the review, then I should not add the review for this particular product. Okay, so what we need to do, first of all, on the, let's open the product detail page. So I will go to the main templates and product detail page. Actually I have opened the product list, so I will open the product detail page. Okay, so in the views.py file, before this form, before the rendering, check end. Okay, and here we will can add, by default I will add true, and then we will fetch that, we will fetch the review check, and I will add product review dot objects dot filter, and I will check that if user is this, we are already okay, we need to get the user from the request. So request dot user, and product is this, so we are already fetching the data of the product. Okay, and review check this product filter, then we will add count. Okay, so here we have count. Now what we will do, if user dot is authenticated, if request dot user dot is authenticated, it means user is logged in. Then, and if we will check if request check greater than 0, then we will add can add equal to false. Okay, so this is the thing. And here we will also add else. Okay, we will add this thing in the template page directly. Okay, I will show you that what I want to say. Okay, let me first initiate the night mode. Actually it is reflecting lots of light. Okay, now what we will do, here we will add the can add here. Okay, now we will open the product detail page, and where is the add review button, add review. Okay, here is the button. So I have already added that if user is logged in, then we will show the button. Here in this we will add only one condition more, if can add, then we will show this button, and if. Okay, let's refresh the page. So here you can see that the add review button is hidden now, because we have added the review. Now let's delete this review and refresh the page. So you can see that now we have a button, so it means this functionality is working, so user can add only one review. Okay, now the third thing is, a review button will be hide after adding the review successfully. So what we need to do, we when we go to the custom dot, now it's time to modify the custom.js. If boolean equal to true, then we will hide the button. So we will firstly we add the class review button. Okay, review button, and here we will add hide button. So bool true, it means we have successfully added the review, so here we will hide this. Okay, so let's check this first, and let's add the review. This is review, and let's add for submit. So data has been added, and here you can see that button has been hidden now. Okay, so our this task is also completed, the third task. Now instantly we need to show instantly review, that we need to show, actually we want to show the review that we have submitted instantly. Okay, so recently, sorry. So what we need to do, first of all we will go to the loop, first of all we will go to the so this block code is showing the reviews with rating. Okay, so what we need to do, we will, okay, so here we will add the class. So this is review list. Okay, and in this class we will prepend the data because I want to show the recent review first, so that I will prepend the data. I will show you in the JS. So here I have added the class. Now when we will add the review, I will return the data. So here where I am adding the review, so this is the review form, and okay, we will go to bottom, and here we are adding the review. Okay, so now we will create a data dictionary, and here we will return the user. Okay, just let me, user is user dot username. Okay, and we don't need to show the product, but we need to show user and rating and review text. Okay, so review text. So what is the review text? So review text we will get from this instance. So here we will get review text. You can also get from this post. Okay, and review rating. Okay, review rating. So here we will get the rating. Okay, so what we need, this username and this review text and this rating. Okay, so I will return this data. Okay, let's delete the review first. Delete this review, and let's go to this, and I will open the network tab. Okay, and let's add the review. So this is review. Okay, and let's delete this and submit this. So now we will go to this, and here you can see that in response we have data in data, review rating, review text, and username. So what we need to do here, we will create the HTML and prepend that HTML in the in that particular list, in this list. Okay, so let's create this. So where HTML equal to, we will copy this block code. Okay, and we just need to concatenate in this JavaScript. Okay, this, and we will copy this multiple times and just place the proper tags. So I will small this tag here. Okay, and word wrap. Okay, and after that we have a user, so username equal to this user. Then we have a site title, so we have a site title, and we need this, but we will create this with the loop dynamically, because rating will be different according to the user submitted data. Okay, so we will create this footer, and let's copy this again and again, and after that footer block code, and then HR. Okay, and we will prepend this data in this list. So in jQuery we can add the data after the element or before the before top at the element. So we will add the top, we will prefer the top. So what we will do, prepend what we prepend, this thing HTML. Okay, and let's change this data, change this. So here we will response dot data dot review text. Okay, because in this we have a review text, and similarly we will do this for user. Okay, user, we don't need this tag, and we need this user. Okay, so user, and in this we, okay, what we need to do, we just need the rating. So how we will create the rating, let's see. For where for where sorry, where equal to where I equal to 1, I less than or equal to review rating, okay, and then I plus plus, and we will encode this in this thing. Okay, so this will dynamically create the rating, and we have added this prepend this. Now let's go to here detail page, and we have already added that, so we need to remove this first. So I will remove this. Okay, fine. Okay, so now add in review. This is rating for submit. So here you can see that we have added the review and admin and for everything is working perfectly. Okay, one thing I have noticed that when we submitted the review, the model should automatically hide. Okay, so what we need to do, we will hide this model. Okay, so where is the model? So here is the model. Where let's yeah, product review. Okay, so now here what we will do, we will add this and model hide, so it will automatically hide the model. Let's hide model, and here we will add prepend data. Okay, and here we will add create data for review. Okay, 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 so we have added the data when we have submitted the review, but if this product has already reviews, then we need to fetch the reviews from the page. So here we will go to the product detail page. First of all, we need to get the review and pass the reviews in the product detail page. So we will go to the detail view, and in the detail view we will get the review, fetch reviews, and here we will fetch the reviews. Okay, so reviews equal to, we need to fetch these reviews from this particular product, so we will remove this user and just, okay, this will fine. Now we will pass this review here, reviews. Okay, now let's go to the, and here we will run the loop for review in reviews, and after that we will end for refresh this page. Okay, let's see, we have one review and it is showing one time. Let's encode this data. So review dot review text. Okay, so text is rendering now. Review dot user, so user is admin now, and we need to loop this data. Okay, so what we will do, okay, we need to loop this data. So I have already created the thing for this. So what we need, okay, let me show you, I will show you the thing what we have done in the product detail page. So here you can see that in the review what we are using just. Okay, so what it will do, it will create the loop. Actually it is left justify, so it will create the loop for string, for the string spacing, but we are using this for as a review rating. Okay, so for star in reviews rating, okay, so it will add the, it will multiple time add the spaces here. Okay, so in this loop we are just rendering the stars. Okay, so I will copy this and add it here. Okay, so let's refresh this page. So here you can see that we have 4 reviews. Now we need to get the average and show in the show here. Okay, so let's go to the views.py file. I will close this. I will just open for my reference. Okay, and views.py file. Okay, we need to fetch the average. So fetch average rating for reviews. Okay, we don't need to fetch here. Okay, we actually, okay, we are fine. I thought we were on the saving area. Okay, so let's fetch the reviews. First of all, for fetching the average, we need to fetch the average method here. Okay, and let's go to the detail section again, and here. Okay, so we will get this average reviews product, and filter and dot aggregate. So we will use aggregate, and what we will aggregate, average rating equal to average, and what is this, a review rating. Okay, so it will get the average rating. So now we will pass it here, average rating. Okay, so now reviews, let's see what it gives us, average reviews. So here you can see that average rating, so dot average rating. Okay, now we will copy this and show it here. Now we have all the things is dynamic. Okay, so this is rating is dynamic, this all the thing is dynamic now. So we have show instant review, we are adding the instant review. We just need to show the review after adding this data. Okay, okay, so we just need the same thing when we are saving the review, and we will return this data. Okay, so average reviews, here we will pass the average reviews. Okay, and we will add in the span so that we can change with the jQuery. So we will add the class average rating. Okay, and let's go to the custom.js, and here we will show average rating, and in this we will add average rating here, average rating, and we will add it here. Okay, now in the span, because it is span, so we need to add text. So response dot data dot, okay, so what we will do, response dot data dot average reviews. Okay, let's see what it gives. Let's first of all, let's see what it gives, then according to that we will show the data. Average reviews, refresh the page and just delete the data, delete this, and let's, okay, so we don't have any data. So what we will, okay, this is test review and add it 3. Okay, let's go to the console or network, submit this data average rating. So it is giving the average rating, and in the average rating we can access average rating, actually average reviews dot average rating. Okay, so we can pass this as a text here, because we don't want to show average rating after the one decimal place, so we will add 2 fixed 1. Okay, so here we have added that. Now whenever we add the review, then it will show the data. So it is showing 3.0. Now let's open this in new browser. So I will use Firefox. Open this, and in this I will open the product detail page. Let's sign up, let's log out from here and let's sign up this. So I will change the sign up link now. So I will open the templates base.html file. Okay, and here we will change the sign up link, sign up. So I have covered this thing also. Okay, so now refresh the page, go to the, actually we need to go to the Firefox, sign up, and this will be test, mobile number is something, address is something, test is something, and let's, password is something, and we will register, and it is showing nothing because we need to go to the sign up form, and here we are redirecting the data, and but we are not fetching this method. Okay, so we need to fetch this. Okay, now we need to go to the we need to go to the admin section and go to the users, and here you can see that we have a test user. Okay, so we will go to the, actually we have created some user, some different user. So let's go to the sign up again, let's go to test and 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 something, address test 1, and password is something, and here it will redirect on the home page and it will logged in also. Okay, so I have explained this thing in my sign up video. So now we have logged in, and let's go to add the review. So this is the review. Now let's go to add another review. So this is another review, and let's select 5 and submit. So here you can see that we have added the review, but one thing is I have noticed that it is not showing the proper average review here. Okay, it should be, what it should be when we refresh the page, it should be 4. Okay, it should be 4, but it was not showing. So let's see that why it is not showing. Test average rating to fixed 1 something. Let's refresh this again, and we will go to this product review section, and I will delete this test review. Okay, and we will test this data again. So refresh the page, and we will add the review something for submit, but it is not showing this. Why it is not showing this? Response.average review is undefined. Okay, what we are sending from the view, we are sending from, go to the last one, average reviews custom.js. Actually we don't need this data because we are sending this different from the data, so that it is showing the error. Okay. Okay, let's go to the Firefox again and add review. Here we will add 4, let's add 5, submit, and here you can see that now it is changing the data. So now average is instantly showing, data is instantly showing, everything is instantly showing, but I have noticed that the HR, the line is not showing instantly. Okay, so why it is not showing? I have added the HR line here. So footer, and we have added the HTML block quote, everything is added. Okay, we will see that why it is not showing. You can also check that, you can also see this, you can also debug this thing. Okay, but I will debug this and upload on the GitHub. This is a small thing, you can also check your own self. Okay, so what we have done, let's go to the list, show average thing, and if no reviews then show message. Okay, so we will go to the product detail page, and we will go to the reviews. Okay, so here if reviews, so it means if not none, so here I will end if. Okay, and in this we will add the thing class no data and add first review. We will add this message, add first review, first review. Okay, and we will note, we will hide this data when we add the review. So here we will hide this data. First hide this. Okay, let's remove this data. Let's hide this data. Okay, this is fine. Now let's remove all the reviews. Delete this and refresh the page. Why it is not showing? Something is different. And else, this should be else. Okay, so if reviews, this thing will be work, else this thing will be work. So refresh this page, add first review. Okay, so none from 5. So add review. This is test review 5, submit, and message is hidden and 5.0 button is also hidden and everything is working very perfect. Okay, now what we need to do, we just replace the dollar with rupees. Okay, we have implement all the things, we just replace the dollar with rupees. So we will open our brand product list, card.html, category, checkout, index, product detail, product list. Also we will, okay, fine. Now if I forgot the rupees in any page, then you can do it. This is very easy thing. So we will search the rupees and here we will replace the with dollar. Okay, I'm not using search replace thing because maybe some rs thing, because in the filters I have faced the problem, so that I am not replacing the thing, I'm just replacing individually manually. So I was talking about this. Okay, so this will create error, so I will replace manually. Okay, in the, we don't need to add base.html file, rupees replace with dollar, and in the cart rupees with dollar, with dollar, and rupees with dollar, rupees with dollar. Okay, and here also dollar. Okay, now we have replaced that, so you can see that now it is showing dollar every page, detail, category, here you can see that brands everywhere. Okay, so now we will open the Ajax template, cart list, product list. We also need to change this because we are loading this page with the help of Ajax. Okay, so I have removed from all pages. I don't think that there is any rupees text here, rupees text in any page. Okay, so I have completed this task. So I hope in the next video we will we will do some work for the we will do work for the filter, and maybe we will do in the next videos, in the next upcoming videos, we will work for the user section, users dashboard section, that order history and addresses and all the things. Okay, so there are lots of more videos for this e-commerce project, and I will very appreciate if you add your idea for the next project in the Django. Okay, so please add your ideas, add your thoughts, and please tell me that how you think about this video, what you think about this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please share, subscribe, like this channel. Thank you so much.